Right now, we're headed over to the local exhaust shop to try and get the exhaust leak that I have under the car fixed. Once I installed the headers and the front pipe, I had a small misalignment on the front pipe to mid pipe. So instead of me jacking the car up and dealing with it myself, I said, screw that, I've had enough of that, and I'm just gonna pay to have it fixed. So let's head over to the shop right now and get to the fix. Dude, you're hiding chips in here?
At Del Mar, got like VIP parking.
That's hot, dude.
It's been a long time.
That's really hot. I want more.